Come test drive the 2010 Cube. The Nissan Cube is a versatile and spacious little wagon. It has a smooth ride, ample passenger space, easy to park, and generous standard features list. Nissan Cube, the shape of things to come. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.